Okay guys, our lesson this week is about plane shapes. Plane shapes are these basic shapes that you've learned since preschool. You can see there's rectangle, triangle, pentagon, hexagon, parallelogram, and circle. On your math page today, it's going to ask you to identify the shapes, write the words, they're all on the page for you. But what's the tricky part is the grid. I gave you the same paper so that you can actually do this with me today if you are interested. What we're going to do is, for the very first one, we're going to draw a three-sided shape. Now, what is a three-sided shape? Oh, I can't hold this and draw at the same time. Did you tell me the answer yet? Oh yeah, you did say a triangle. Three-sided, that means I need to start at my dots. Think of it as a dot to dot. And I'm going to go from one dot to another dot. Three sides, there's one side, there's another side, and another side. So 1, 2, 3 sides. Now keep in mind, triangles can look different. Maybe your triangle looks like this. Maybe your triangle looks like this. Notice they all have 3 sides, and they all have dots at the corner. Your math page is actually even going to tell you to put a big dot at each corner, okay? So make sure that you're paying attention when it tells you to, whoops, I'm juggling all of this still. Okay, so that's triangles. I am not skilled at recording myself at the same time. I'm going to skip some of the other ones. I'm not going to do them all today. But keep in mind, there is a shape that does not have corners. It's not going to go through those it has 0 sides. Okay, and then there's one more I want to go for. This one always seems to be a tricky, the 5-sided one. Keep in mind, there's lots of different ways you can do 5 sides, by the way. It basically looks like a house. But your 5-sided shape can look a little different, even. These are all 5-sided shapes. Whoops, sorry, I'm off center here. Simplest, easiest one is this. They're both still pentagons. They both still have 5 sides to it. Don't spend forever trying to do it has to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay? Your shapes can look weird. They can look a little off. Just make sure you're going through those dots and showing off those corners. Okay, that's a big one right there. This seems to be forgotten a lot with my second graders. Don't be like those who mess up. On the back, it's going to ask you pretty much the same stuff. It's going to ask you, okay, it's a pentagon. How many sides are on a pentagon? Use your cheat sheet. That's why I'm sending this for you, so that you can use it. If you have any questions, remember you can always call me or text me. Miss you guys. Bye.